Hello, welcome to the tutorial for Google Sheet Automatic. Let's have a look. Here we have the link, and when we paste the link here, we will get to make a copy. We will do a make a copy for that invoice sheet. Let it be copy. Okay, here we got the copy of that invoice. How we will use the invoice. Let me expand a bit. Okay, here we go. We will see invoice tools menu here. And we click here, we got the generate new invoice, save invoice as PDF, print preview invoice, preview packing list, save packing list, and save invoice plus packing list. So when we hit generate new invoice, the new invoice number will appear. But before that, first time we need to give permission here and select all, give permission to Google. Okay, the new invoice number created. So every time we hit generate new invoice, it will create automatically, right? And the fields there for new entry. So here we got the company name. So what is the company name? This data is coming from this area. Whatever we will add here, whatever we will give the values to these items, the data will come here. For example, the data will come here. The tax amount, we call it for 10%. Then this is the product sheet, product data, silicone rubber, and this data product or service is coming from here. Whatever we will write here, it will appear in this bar, okay? And the quantity and sorry, the price in unit measure will come automatically. Quantity we can give, automatically calculations, advance paid if any, discount if any, and the value here. We can write the amount in words here. Obviously, we can place the logo and our company information one time and the bank account information. And then if we want, we can save invoice as PDF, for example. Then we need to give a Google Drive folder link and it will save. Currently, I'm not giving the Google link. And print preview invoice, for example, if we click on print preview invoice, it will uh, yeah, give the print preview, but before that it is blocking the pop-up, so we need to give always allow pop-up. Then it is allowed as a pop-up, and we hit again print preview invoice, and now every time without doing the pop-up, it will generate a PDF. You see invoice PDF, and the preview packing list. The packing list will appear here. Okay, there is the packing list, you see, and the packing list is building automatically from the invoice data. So whatever invoice data we put here, the invoice number, date, customer, and the product information without the pricing information, it will appear here automatically, but still we can edit this if we want. So when we click generate new invoice, the new invoice will generate it and fields cleared for new entry. You see how every time we hit generate new invoice, then previous data will automatically reset. So if you need any more customization based on your small business or any type of customization in Excel, Google Sheet for your SMEs, you can just ping us. Thank you very much.